Here are several still images taken by crime scene analysts of the bullet lodged in the fabric of the bullet-resistant vest the officer was wearing, and a still image of the bruising caused by the impact of the round. Additionally, here's a still image of the handgun fired by Workman taken at the scene. Investigation also revealed that Workman had an assault rifle with 3 full magazines staged just inside the front door with an immediate access as he engaged officers at the gate. Patrol Division responded to a domestic disturbance call for service involving an intoxicated male who was reportedly armed in the 2200 block of Galindo Court.
What's up, dude?
How you doing, man?
I'm doing pretty good. How you doing?
You got no weapons on you like that?
No, I don't.
All right. Hey, come over here. Hey, talk to us.
Hey.
I'll be honest with you.
I thought that was the house. Yeah, that was. I thought that was the door.
No, what's that?
What's up, y'all?
Hey,
Hey,
Citizen police.
why don't you come out talk to us? Why don't you come out and talk to us?
Why don't you come talk to me right here?
Well, first of all, I can't because I don't make sure. I don't
Okay, why don't you talk to me from right where you're at? What's up, man?
what's up, man? How are
What's
you?
up, dude? What's your name?
My name is Wong Wui. How are you?
What's your name?
Wong Wui?
What is it?
Wong?
Wong?
Yeah.
W-O-N-G?
Yes, sir.
What's your last name?
That is my last name.
Oh,
right.
Wong is your last name.
Yeah. So anyway, brother, look, first and foremost, you're not in any trouble. We just want to talk.
Cool.
Okay?
Why you got your gun like that?
This is not a gun. This is just a 40.
What's he doing back there?
He's just my code
Cool,
9.
Wong.
Yeah.
So what's up, man? What are you doing here? Why the fuck are you guys here?
Ultimately, we want to make sure you're okay. Remember
called
us from
you?
last time?
Who called you here?
It was a PR.
Who called you here?
So with that being said, we just
PR.
want to make
Who
sure
called
you're
you
okay.
here, sir? Who called you here?
Look,
No, answer my question or leave.
Hey, Mason.
look.
I'm Sergeant Elena, okay?
Sergeant, great.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Sergeant. Answer my question. Who called you here?
Who do you think called?
I have no idea.
Who lives here with you?
That's who called?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's up? What do you guys want?
She's concerned about you.
Okay.
You sent a picture that causes some great concern
I
to her,
sent her a picture that caused great concern.
to her and
Bullshit. What picture?
you tell me what picture.
You tell me what fucking picture. You're here on my fucking front door.
Okay.
And just so you know, you guys are being recorded
That's
right
fine.
now
That's fine.
by a third party.
Okay.
So what
That's-
picture, sir?
That's fine.
What picture,
Did
sir?
did you send her a picture of some guns laid out on the floor?
Yes, I did.
Okay. What was
Matter of fact, I sent her a picture of a AR-15 and a 9mm pistol on the back, out there by the on the counter of the barbecue.
Okay. Why would you send her that?
Why would not?
It's not normal, right?
It is normal, sir. I own lots of guns.
Right, but you sent.
There's no fucking reason for me not to have.
Okay.
All right. So what the fuck is he doing back there?
He's not.
Y'all better back the fuck up, because I don't really think that I did anything wrong here. And are we gonna have a shootout or what? Are we gonna get down?
No, we're not getting down.
So then you need to get the fuck out of here.
Do you have any weapons on you right now?
I do.
Okay. Do not reach for it.
I'm not going
Do
to.
not reach for it.
I have a legal fucking Second Amendment
I understand
right
that. I
to
understand.
own.
Okay.
Listen, dude, I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing.
You should know some of the tactics we use.
Some of the tactics that you use. What does that mean?
Okay.
What does that mean, sir?
Here's the thing.
What does that mean, sir?
What do you mean? You're asking what this.
I have
guy's
a
doing
pistol
over here.
right here. Do you see that right there?
Okay. Do not
Okay,
reach for it.
I'm not going to.
Okay.
But what do you? What? You're in my front yard, and that motherfucker's over there acting weird. What did I do?
You just come out and talk to us.
Fuck you. Tell me what I did.
We
Come out and talk to you.
We
Last
didn't
time
do
I
anything.
came out and talked to you, I got fucking taken to 7 Hills. You can suck my dick.
Okay.
All you motherfuckers can suck my dick.
Yes.
Hey, he's coming to the garage. Hey,
I'm gonna shut this garage.
put that light down, boy.
Mason. I'm gonna shut this garage when you talk in the front, motherfucker.
Don't worry about that right now.
Let this shit not go down again and we're gonna fucking fire it out. Really?
Mason.
Shut the mother!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
I'm gonna shut this motherfucker right
Put the
now!
gun down! He's got a gun! He's got a gun! 413. He's pointed at us! He's pointed at us!
Hey! Back the fuck up!
413.
Now! Cocksucker, you little piece of shit!
3161 all units. He came out, racked his fire.
Why the
Hey!
fuck is that
He's
kid?
coming out!
Stop again!
I'm hit, dude.
Hey,
I'm hit. I'm good. I think I'm good. Where is he? He's down. He's on the ground. He's got his back up against the cabinets. He's
Shots
not
fired.
moving.
suspect down.
Suspect
on
down.
ground.
Lily guards.
One way. I think I got hit.
All right, come on.
Where you hit?
Where you hit?
Just pull him.
I'm good. Go. Go. Grab it. Go. Take my arm and pull me. I got it.